stock market is down, inflation is still lurking, and the economy is shifting fast. But does that mean you should panic? Not so fast. While some are calling this the start of a financial meltdown, others see opportunity. So what's really happening? And more importantly, how can you win in this economy? Let's break it down. Picture this: John, an average guy with a 401k, a mortgage, and a side hustle, wakes up to a flurry of notifications. Markets drop for third straight week. Recession fears rise as uncertainty grows. Billionaires sell off stocks. Should you? John panics. Should I move my money? Should I sell? Should I be worried? Cut to his neighbor, Lisa. Same economy, same news. But instead of panicking, she's buying stocks at a discount. She's shifting her strategy, looking for ways to profit from the changes. One economy, two different reactions. One loses, one wins. So which one are you? Alright, let's talk about what's really going on. Yes, the stock market is down since Trump took office. But why? 1. Uncertainty over policy changes. Markets hate uncertainty. With new trade policies, tax changes, and regulatory shifts, investors are playing defense instead of offense. 2. Inflation and interest rates. The Federal Reserve hasn't budged much on interest rates, making borrowing more expensive. That's slowing down home buying, business expansions, and spending. 3. Trade and tariff adjustments. Trump has reintroduced tariffs on certain imports, aiming to boost U.S. manufacturing. But in the short term, that means rising costs for businesses relying on global supply chains. But here's the thing, this isn't necessarily bad. It's just different, and different creates opportunity. Let's break it down. Who's benefiting from these changes and who's taking a hit? Winner number 1, U.S. manufacturers. With tariffs making imports pricier, American companies producing goods domestically have a huge advantage. If you work in or invest in U.S. manufacturing, this could be a big win. Winner number 2, energy and defense. Trump has boosted military spending, which means defense contractors are thriving. And with fewer restrictions on drilling, oil and gas companies are making moves. Loser number 1, big tech and retailers. Companies relying on overseas production are struggling with higher costs. Stocks like Apple, Tesla, and Nike have taken a hit. Loser number 2, the unprepared investor. If you're panicking and selling off stocks at a loss, you're locking in those losses. Meanwhile, others are seeing this as a chance to buy at a discount. Here's where we shift from what's happening to what you can do about it. 1. Invest strategically, not emotionally. Markets go up and down, but historically, long-term investors who stay the course win. Instead of panic selling, look for opportunities. Certain sectors like energy, defense, and US-based manufacturing could be solid bets right now. 2. Get smart about interest rates. With borrowing costs rising, now isn't the best time for high-interest debt. If you have credit card balances, pay them off. If you're thinking of buying a house, make sure you can handle higher mortgage rates. 3. Build a recession-proof income. Job security is never guaranteed. This is the perfect time to strengthen your finances. Start a side hustle. Increase your emergency fund. Diversify your income streams. Think long-term. Short-term fear makes people do dumb things with money. But the smart move, play the long game. Markets recover. Economies adjust. Those who prepare now will benefit later. Which leads us to the biggest question. Is this a recession waiting to happen? The honest answer? No one knows. But here's what we do know. The case for optimism. The job market is still strong. Businesses are adjusting to new policies. The market often rebounds after initial uncertainty. The case for concern. Inflation is still a wild card. Higher interest rates are slowing down borrowing. If companies start laying off workers, spending could slow down fast. So what should you do? Simple, control what you can. Invest with a long-term mindset. Cut unnecessary expenses. Stay informed, not paranoid. Economic shifts create winners and losers. The key? Position yourself on the winning side. The Trump economy is just getting started, and it's too early to say whether it'll be a boom or a bust. But one thing's for sure, change creates opportunity. And the people who win men aren't the ones who panic. They're the ones who adapt. Alright, now it's your turn. Is this market drop just temporary turbulence or the start of a bigger shift? What's your strategy in this economy? Drop a comment. I want to hear your take. And if you want no BS financial breakdowns, hit that subscribe button. Otherwise, you might miss the next big market move, and no one wants that. Thanks for watching Freedom Through Finance, where we break down money so it doesn't break you.